eFootball merupakan salah satu game sepak bola terpopuler yang paling banyak dimainkan hingga saat ini. eFootball atau yang dulu bernama Game Pass ini setiap tahun selalu rilis versi terbaru. Kini telah rilis versi eFootball 2024 yang semakin ditingkatkan dari segi fitur, grafis, dan penyempurnaan lainnya untuk meningkatkan kualitas game. eFootball 2024 ini bisa kalian download dan install di PC ataupun laptop secara gratis, walaupun dengan jumlah tim yang terbatas. Kalian dapat mengunduh game eFootball 2024 ini melalui Steam. Dan bagi kalian yang belum memiliki akun Steam, kalian bisa buat dulu. Untuk caranya, bisa lihat video saya, link ada di deskripsi. Jadi langsung aja buka Steam, lalu cari eFootball 2024. Nah, ini klik aja. Sebelum mendownload game eFootball 2024, kalian harus baca dulu sistem requirement dari gamenya. Pastikan PC atau laptop kalian cukup ya. Setelah itu klik play game. Checklist create desktop shortcut agar shortcut dari gamenya muncul di desktop. Untuk mengganti folder instalasi, kalian bisa klik pengaturan di sini. Jika sudah, klik install. Terima syarat dan ketentuan dari gamenya. Klik bagian bawah ini untuk melihat proses downloadnya. Jika ingin menghentikan proses downloadnya, kalian bisa klik pause di sini, lalu kalian bisa lanjutkan kapan saja tanpa harus mengulang dari awal. Nah, ini sudah selesai. Selanjutnya masuk ke library dan pilih eFootball 2024. Klik play untuk memulai gamenya. Tunggu sebentar, ini lagi mendownload beberapa file yang diperlukan, jadi tunggu aja sampai gamenya terbuka. Screen mode bisa pilih full screen, lalu klik OK. Text language, saya pilih English saja. Lalu country saya pilih Indonesia. Setujui semua syarat dan ketentuan dari eFootball 2024 ini. Ketikkan username kalian. Untuk username, nggak harus sama dengan akun Steam kalian ya, bisa beda nama. Tunggu proses update-nya sampai selesai. Nah, ini adalah tampilan awal dari eFootball 2024. Sampai di sini, kalian bisa langsung memainkan gamenya atau join beberapa event yang tersedia. Oke, mungkin gitu aja. Semoga bermanfaat dan makasih udah nonton.
Consequence. It looks as though we're going to have a great turnout, such has been the level of enthusiasm generated once the fixture was announced. There is still movement in the crowd, plenty of people yet to take their seats. The roads outside very... And the shots! And he's really put himself on the line here. Bayern Munich with the corner, they're first. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And now a sudden chance to counter. Reguilon. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Now it's Coma. Great chance! Oh, he's managed to get it all wrong.
Coman deserves a lot of credit for his willingness to make those runs. The passers will always have an option with him.
Oh, easy pickings there. Casemiro. Gently done. Could move up a gear here. He's left his man. Reguilon. Hannibal. He's shifting through the gears here. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. And it's Choupo-Moting. Kane.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Lima. Played out to the left flank. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Nice interception, well timed. And Sonny! Goal! Bayern Munich! There is the breakthrough!
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
So we have our breakthrough.
Well, this will present the manager with a
Rashford with a definite foul there. Kimmich. Bayern Munich are seeing a lot of the ball and have a... And the shot! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Kane sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Have their second corner now. Rashford with the clearance. Kimmich. He's had a shot! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing. Hannibal. Now it's Rashford. Hannibal. The pressing's intense and it's paid off. Bayern Munich can start a counter here. Diogo Dalot. Now it's Kane. Oh, they could break here. That's a shade optimistic.
Kane, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
And here's Kane. Good spot, he's seen the run. Can he finish? Now that is commitment to the cause. Corner number 3 coming up. And now they can spring out of defence. And he's being shifted off it. Kimmich. Coman. Now it's Coman. Great hit! He scored! Two to the good! They have breathing space! And that will surely go down as one of the easiest goals he could ever score.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone, and it's criminal defending.
Number 27.
Bayern Munich take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning.
He's going for goal! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Very speculative with little threat, if any, for the keeper.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Choupo-Moting. Real chance here. Chance! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. So their fourth corner of the game. Went with his head, but couldn't steer it in. Bayern Munich, they're up to 5 corners now. And it's going to be another corner. Corner count is rising. That's 6. And he's taking no chances there.
There will be 3
Manchester
minutes
United
added
can
time.
counter promptly here. Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. And it's Choupo-Moting. Kane, well seen, saw that coming. Choupo-Moting! A decent effort as the first half draws to a close. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position.